fresh squeeze, tangerine dreams, I'm sliding. Stocks up, dashboard digital, I'm gliding. Organic plates, salmon over quinoa. Keep it authentic, everything you see raw. In the morning with the stretch, I be counting blessings. $250,000 on the dresser, no more stressing. Matcha in my cup, and I don't do no capping. I talk health and wealth and moves that make it happen. Vintage Gucci apron, flipping duck confit. She texted me a poem, she said my aura calm just like the sea. Big body, back flipping in the sauna. Chef with the wrist, I make souffle out in Tijuana. Loops cracked like ceramic soul in the sample. Investing in land while they fighting for a Lambo. Got the savings and the flavor. I turn my life into a banger. Lemon pepper drizzle on the heirloom fish. Talking stocks while I plate up this elegant dish. Alkaline water in a cut crystal glass. Made a meal off of vibes and a little bit of class. They worry about clout while I was stacking the funds. Bought land out in Napa just to grow me some plums. Keep the circle tight like a Michelin chef. Only bread I break now comes with respect. Silk robe dragging on the marble floor. Breakfast in bed, girl bring me some more. Poached eggs with the truffle on the side. Mimosas flowing like a west coast tide. I talk slick, but I move in silence. Diamonds bloody like they study violence. Oyster blaze steak, cooked rare up in the coop. Seats made of leather and the dreams of my youth. Vintage frames on my face, see the vision clearer. Manifesting peace, no hate up in the mirror. I ain't rushing nothing, I smell the rose petals. Keep the mindset steady and go harder than some metal. Moonlight on the dash, got the world in my palm. Every move like a breeze, every word like a psalm. Ain't no rush on the road, when the timing is right. Let the beat fade slow, then I'm gone with the night.